Hello. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the models of e-commerce. So, before discussing what are the different models of e-commerce, let us know what is the models. So, we know every business organizations their main work is to earn profit through generating revenue. To generate this revenue, they carry on uh, active business activities in different ways. The method which they do follow to generate revenue are known as the models of the business. So even e-commerce business they have their own models to carry on the business and earn profit. So there are various e-commerce business models and we have a few of them listed here. So, business to business, that is B2B, business to consumer, that is B2C, consumer to consumer, C2C, consumer to business, C2B, business to government, B2G, government to business, G2B, and government to citizen, G2C. So the top four models are considered to be the fundamental models, and the other three models, the remaining three models are considered to be the extension of the fundamental e-commerce models. So now let us go through one by one. So the first model is business to business e-commerce model. So here the parties concerned, that is buyer and the seller, both of them are the business units, or both of them are the business entities. So here B2B e-commerce is simply defined as e-commerce between companies or between business firms or between the businesses. So the total of all the e-commerce business put together, 80% of it is done through this type of model. So here there is an example. Intel selling microprocessor to Dell. So Intel is selling microprocessor to Dell for the further uh, assembling of the product, for further process, further production process. So it is both the units here are the business units. So it is called business to business e-commerce model. Same way, hence selling ketchup to Donald's for Donald's to use it for uh, soft fast foods. Okay, so here we see the model. There is business organization, wholesaler, and the website. So the wholesaler carries on the business through the website. He contacts the business organization. The business he places the order through the website with the business organization. Business organization supplies the product for the wholesaler to continue his business further. So the example for this model can give Alibaba, which is one of the uh, largest e-commerce businesses of the world, and it actually has all type of, it carries on business under all type of business model, e-commerce models, hence B2B business model also. So the next model is business to consumer e-business model. So here the business and the consumer they carry on their transactions through this kind of model. So they contact each other through the websites for their business activities. The business unit supplies the product, the customer gathers the information, places the order, and the business unit supplies the product. Here the example is Dell selling laptop to me or to Mr. A. So here the person who is buying is a consumer or the customer. Here the customer contacts the business organization through the website and places the order. The website processes the order. Business organization supplies the product to the customer. So almost all the uh, customers, majority of the customers that too during this pandemic period might be going for this model or this type of purchasing, and you all might also have experienced this type of buying. Majority of you might be familiar with the e-commerce model, e-commerce businesses like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and this model is also known as e-tailing. It is also termed as e-tailing. Here the business sells its products to the customers. So moving on to the next model, consumer to consumer. So here the two parties concerned for the business are, both of them are consumers. So one consumer is selling the product to the other consumer, or one customer is selling the product to the other customer. So one customer is the seller, other one is the buyer. Is simply between private individuals or consumers. Example, Mary buying an iPod from Tom on eBay, or a customer may sell his furniture to another customer. Books may be sold to the other, used books may be sold to the other customer. So here you can see the website wherein the advertisement will be placed. Customer 1 wants to sell the product, customer 2 wants to buy the product. So customer 1 sells the product to customer 2. So he receives the product and he makes the payment. So the transactions, to carry on these transactions, they make use of the website. And maybe you have heard of OLX, which carries on this type of a business, that is consumer to consumer. The next is consumer to business. So this is the opposite of business to consumer model, wherein the consumer approaches the business, carries on the business to carry on his activities. So here the example is given, Naukri.com. So to get a job, the customer contacts the website. He may register his resume with the particular website, and the website will process the requirements of the customer, and he passes on the information to a particular business unit where the job is available, and then the transaction takes place between the business organization and the customer. So here the business organization provides the service and the customer pays for the service. Website does the work for the customer, and the website will charge the customer for the service what it gives to him. So customer gets his work done from the business organization through the website. So here the examples given, Naukri.com, Shadi.com, and all this type. The next is business to government model. So here the B2G stands for business to government, implying the relationship between a business to government agencies and government institutions. So here you see in the model, on the one end there is business unit, and the government, and in the middle there is website. Okay. So the business organizations, whatever requirements are the transactions they have to carry with the government, they make use of the websites for the purpose. For example, maybe for the business has to pay tax to the government, so the tax website they'll make use of to make the payment of taxes. This is B2G model. Then is G2B, the government to business model. G2B model, government uses this model to approach business organizations like the auctions, tenders, and where to carry on various rules and regulations. And there are various portals like broadcast, the Seva portal, MSME portal, Sevas, in the various other portals that are made use of by the businesses to carry on the rules and regulations that are framed by the government. Then the next is government to citizen, or G2C model. Here it approaches citizens in general. So whatever formalities or procedures the citizens they need to carry on, they make use of this model. This here the on the one hand you see government, the other hand citizens. In between there are websites. The citizens make use of these websites to carry on the legal requirements prescribed by the government, maybe like registration of vehicles, registration of birth, marriage, death certificates, and so on. So these are some of the models which we come across under e-commerce business. And so for G2C, there may be digital police portals or government of Karnataka portal for various to carry on various transactions and fulfill the legal requirements. So these are some of the models of e-commerce business.